Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you this beautiful unit. This is a headband unit, so it's very popular. So with this unit, it does have a headband connected to the hair, so you'll see the construction of the cap and all that in the video. But it does have some combs in the front, one in the back, also one in the middle area. And so it's a black band covering this part, and it's also some Velcro, so you can make it tight as you want it or loose as you want it to. So it comes with a bunch of headbands. This one, like, how many? So 5 headbands. You get all this with your unit. That's awesome. This is an 18-inch. So all I did was just combed it out. I just wanted it to be all big and puffy. I didn't want to add no water, no gel, and none of that. But this hair is super soft. I can see myself going to the store on a run. This would be my go-to unit, okay? So I know some people want to protect their edges. This is a good way to protect your edges. Some of the headbands fits really good. Some of it's a tad bit tight, but it's still perfect. So with my hair being dyed, as you can see right here, I did color my hair. So my hair is red, but this is perfect. Look at this. Covers it seamlessly. So yeah, I do highly recommend this unit. You have to try it out for yourself. I'll link everything in the description bar. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you this very popular unit. It's going around. It is the headband wig. So this is their deep wave unit. So right off the bat you receive 5 headbands, you guys. Ain't that so cool? And also the unit has a black band on there. So I did rock it like that today, and I don't mind wearing it just as is. But you also have headband options. You can put your headband on there, you can tie a scarf on there and all of that. But look at all these fun colors you can wear. And they are very comfortable on the head, not too tight. So with the unit, I did not experience no shedding, no bad smell or anything like that. I love the length. I could have wetted, but I didn't wet the unit. But I'll show you what it looks like wet. I keep saying wetted. Wetted soon, but yeah. So this is the cap construction. So it is big head friendly. You do got 2 combs in the front, one in the nape area and one on the crown of the head. Also it has the elastic band in the back, so it's connected to the cap. So basically it's like the black headband part, and it got Velcro on there. You can measure it to fit your head perfectly. So yeah, so look at these waves on this unit. Ugh, sickening. I love it. I love the shine on here. It's so pretty. So pretty. So yeah, I'm just showing you everything that you get in this box. And yeah, so like I said, you can't really beat this. You get 5 options and headbands, and you get this beautiful unit. Like, who doesn't like a deep wave unit? That's my favorite wig. Like, I love that hair texture. It's so pretty. Alright, you guys, so right here, this is the unit just with the black band. Like I said, I rocked this like this today, and I love it. So comfortable on the head. It's not pulling my edges, so I get where they're going with this. So say your edges is like balding around the front of your scalp, you don't have to worry about that. You can just have a headband, and you just add headbands on there. I know some people don't like headbands because sometimes headbands do make that happen too. Like if you put the headband too tight or anything, it does stress the front of your hairline. But not these are very comfortable. So I like all the colors you get. Now with this unit, make sure with the Velcro, make sure you hold, like, cover your hand with the Velcro because the hair will stick on that. So make sure you do that whenever you hook it in the bag. I just say put all the hair back in the ponytail, and you can do like that. But yeah, you guys, I'm not doing a talk in this video. Everything is self-explanatory. I'm just rocking all the headbands in the video. And yeah, and I'll just see you in my next video, you guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a blessed one. Bye.